Once upon a time in Toyland, Excavaroo and his playful pals embarked on a daring journey across the vast sea of the playroom. But a mighty storm brewed, tossing their toy boat like a leaf in the wind. Splash, crash, boom! And before they knew it, they found themselves stranded on a tiny island, its shores painted with colourful sand. At first, Excavaroo and his buddies felt a little bit scared. They peered around and spotted creatures with squiggly tails and wiggly ears. But here's the twist. These critters didn't speak the toy language. Instead, they made strange sounds like squawk, squawk and chirp, chirp. Oh my! Excavaroo and his crew were a tad confused. Feeling a bit lost and not sure what to do, they wandered around the island, pondering how to return home. Suddenly, Excavaroo tripped over a coconut, setting off a wild wave of giggles. Ha ha ha! Laughed the toys, while the creatures joined in with their own funny noises. It was like stumbling upon the world's silliest comedy show. With laughter swirling all around, the creatures' confusion melted away faster than ice cream on a sunny day. Soon, they were rolling on the jungle floor, laughing so hard their bellies hurt. And guess what? They began to understand the language of fun. Now feeling more at ease, Excavaroo and his gang decided to explore this fascinating new land. They stumbled upon a big coconut hanging from a tree. "One!" they cheered, pointing excitedly. Then they found 2 shiny seashells washed up on the shore. "Two!" they shouted, examining them closely. Their adventure continued as they counted 3 colourful parrots perched in the trees. "Three!" they exclaimed, amazed by the vibrant birds. Next, they spotted 4 starfish clinging to a rock in a tide pool. "Four!" they giggled, marvelling at the tiny creatures. But wait, there's more fun to be had. They spotted 5 bananas growing on a tree, 6 coconuts scattered on the ground, and 7 fish swimming in a crystal-clear stream. 5, 6, 7, they chanted, counting each one with glee. As they ventured further, they stumbled upon 8 colourful flowers blooming in a meadow. 8! they shouted, admiring the rainbow of hues. Then, they found 9 shiny rocks glistening in the sun. 9! they cheered, collecting them in a pile. But the most thrilling discovery awaited them at the hilltop, a trove of 10 sparkling gems nestled among the rocks. 10! they exclaimed, eyes wide with wonder. Carefully counting each gem, they marvelled at their beauty. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the island, Excavaroo and his friends knew they'd had an adventure to remember. And as they bid farewell to their new friends, they did so with the joyous realization that laughter and fun know no boundaries. Whether at home or on a far-off island, a smile and a wave can light up any day.